All right, today we're gonna bring a small slicer. If you guys can see that, it has a very sharp blade. Just be careful with it. It's a manual one, so you're gonna have to spin it in order to make the wheel spin. All right. Make sure you're aware of that when you set it up. Make sure you tighten up all the ends. Now, one of the best things about it, I like the suction cup. So if you have like granite like I do, look at that, very stable enough. All right. Don't handle it from the bottom. All right. Because the blade's down here too. Be careful with the blade, all right? It's very important. One thing that you got to be aware, this thing is to actually measure the slices, all right, that you're gonna do. So you got to eye it out or pretty much tone it out. So I'm gonna show you with the camera closely so you can see it. All right, I'm gonna show you the slicer. If you guys can see in this part right here on the blade itself, you're able to control the width on it, all right? How much you're gonna cut, all right? See how it goes. That's pretty much evened out. We're going to open up the slicer so you could do bread as much as we can. We're going to do one slice of bread here so you guys can see it. So I'm going to show you guys from a different angle how to do it. All right, we make sure we lock it in place. All right, don't ever grab it from here. Make sure it's stable enough. All right, so we are going to cut a slice of bread, and they do give you some tongues here, some of these bamboo ones, so you can actually push the bread. But right now we're just gonna push it manually. So I'm gonna be turning it. You could go either way, but you gotta turn it where the blade's at. So manually do this, if you guys can see that. Automatically, look at that. There we go. First slice. Now we're gonna do some cheese. The cheese. Overall, so it took a little bit. It's strong. You got to make sure you spin it, all right? When you spin it, make sure it spins hard. You're able to slice it. Make sure you clean it out. It tells you which way to go, which is this way, all right? And that's it. Make sure the suction cups are not moving, and you're able to slice your bread and your pieces of ham or cheese, whatever it is. Hope you guys enjoy the video.